Professionals and enthusiasts are hungry for a technology-packed aerial drone which is beyond limitations.
Introducing the VISTA, a drone that captures the best angle every time with its 360-degree 40-megapixel camera. The VISTA is powered by Sony with its dual IMX204 sensors, 4 LiDAR sensors, an optical flow sensor, and stereoscopic cameras, making it the most advanced camera drone on the market for professionals and enthusiasts alike. VISTA is the first indoor-outdoor 360-degree camera drone. The VISTA is capable of 3D mapping full interactive environments and tracking the movement of objects in space. For professionals, the VISTA is an ultimate solution. Set its path and sit back while the drone creates virtual tours, completes inspections, identifies and tracks objects, records measurements, and so much more. With the VISTA, no tripods are needed for virtual tours because this camera drone flies inside and can do so autonomously using the full suite of sensors and proprietary software. All your footage and data is uploaded directly from the VISTA to the Door Robotics video editing suite, where 360 video content can be edited and converted into 3D models with exact measurements, virtual tours, and 2D images. For enthusiasts, the VISTA is an ideal creation tool with capabilities far beyond any other commercial consumer drone. While other drones have follow me functionality, the VISTA takes it to the next level with its built-in 360-degree camera and LiDAR sensors. The VISTA is a total solution that can record and map physical spaces from the air. I'm Josh, CEO of Door Robotics. This is Patrick, our COO, Travis, our lead design engineer, Krithika, our lead systems engineer, Vasil, our head of marketing, and this is the rest of our team.
We've been working with drones for over 4 years, built 6 prototypes, and now we're ready to bring the VISTA drone to you. We are designing, assembling, and manufacturing the VISTA right here in the USA, with delivery slated for March 2021. Please consider helping us meet our Kickstarter goal, and we promise to excite you with truly groundbreaking technology.
We hope you become a part of the VISTA community, where we help you capture the perfect shot every time.